Hello everyone, welcome back to Old Country Cooks. I'm Chef John. Rebecca's behind the camera and soon to be over here making us something up. We're going to cook out on the grill today. I'm going to put a flat top on top of my charcoal grill. And Rebecca's going to make some homemade salmon patties. The salmon's out of a can. We've already took the skin off of it and as much as bone as we can. And she also pre-prepped the mashed potatoes. We use mashed potatoes in ours. So Rebecca, come on, make these up.
This is 2 cans of salmon that, like John said, he went ahead and cleaned, deboned as much as possible and got that skin off. I don't like the skin or the other slimy, the fatty part. So we take that off. I'm going to wear gloves. And to that, I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of cornmeal because I like it crunchy. I'm also going to add maybe a 1/4 cup of flour, and I'm going to reserve this because I might want to add a little bit more. I'm not sure yet. Here is about 1/4 of a red onion.
Finely diced.
Very finely diced, you guys.
If you like them a little bigger, you know, you cut them the way you like, right?
Mm-hmm. 2 eggs. That would be 2 raw eggs, y'all. These are large sized. I'm gonna add mashed potatoes because to me, I don't like the taste of fish, and this helps stretch the recipe. You get more yield out of it, and it also lessens the fishiness somewhat. You still get that beautiful salmon flavor, but you don't get that canned fishy flavor.
Helps with the binding.
It does that too. So I'm adding a teaspoon of Old Bay. The real deal.
Old Bay's salty, so remember that.
And I'm going to give it a hefty pinch of black pepper because my husband loves black pepper. And then I'm going to give it just a smaller pinch of salt. And before I put anything else away, I'm going to mix it up with my hand and make sure I don't need any more of the flour or mashed potatoes. Now the mashed potatoes were instant and I just mixed it up with no added no butter, no milk or anything, just potatoes and water.
You don't have to use instant. If you got leftover mashed potatoes, they'll work perfectly.
They will, if it's just about right. Now these are still a little bit wetter than what I would like, but see how well it's holding its shape and it's not falling apart when I, toss it around.
And when I start cooking it, the flour and the cornmeal, they'll all bind together too and hold it together.
As a nice binder, and then you just pat them out, or you can do like we do and use a scoop so that we can portion control. That way everybody gets one the same size.
Sometimes we make them thick, like big juicy hamburgers, and then sometimes we make them a little thinner.
I'm trying to pat the edges in so that I get a good sharp, crisp edge.
Right, there they are. Rebecca's going to put them in the refrigerator until I get the coals ready. And we're going to show you my charcoal flat top. There's my charcoals. You got to have a full bed of charcoals. We're going to put the grate on there. We'll put the flat side up instead of the rigid side. I'm going to take our pan and just slide it on there just like that. Alright, I think we got it hot enough. We're going to drop these down. There'll be some hot and cold spots on here. I've got some ghee on there right now. So if we have to lay some more down, that's fine. Because I can raise and lower my charcoal bed. Ah! Make sure they're not sticking, which they're not. Like I said, these stainless steel griddles, easy to clean up. They don't really stick because they're such a smooth surface. If you look at the Blackstone and Camp Chef, they're not completely smooth like these until you build that up on there. It takes a lot of seasonings to get it like that. So this is not perfectly level, so I'm trying to, it's kind of going at an angle. So we're going to put it, grease up on here on this side and let it roll down this way. And it's so clean, I can take this back up here. Take a look at one. Oh yeah, beautiful. All right, let's go inside and fix our plates.
Smells delicious.
Let's see how we did as a team. Those chives she put on there and the lemon on top, and with all that butter I was putting around it and on it, oh man, these things are outstanding. What do you think? This could be one of the best ones we made together.
I think this is delicious.
That is awesome, guys. If you like tartar sauce, you can go ahead and make some tartar sauce. Rebecca likes putting hers in ketchup.
But
I just like mine by themselves.
yeah, I'm kind of liking this with lemon.
This is good. Baby girl, hush. They can't stand it. Good, huh?
Delicious.
Man, best way to cook it. It didn't take long. Just make sure when you cook these, you get them up to at least 145. I like to take mine to 160. They're already done. They're not dried out whatsoever. They're cooked perfect.
Delicious, you guys.
Hope you enjoyed this. If you want one of those flat, baby girl, if you want one of those flat tops, you can go online and just put stainless steel flat top. You'll find them. Don't write me down in a comment where'd you get that. I got it at a small local Hispanic store. I mean, real small.
Yep.
And I got my cowboy walk from there too. So just go look online. Lowe's sell anywhere they sell grills. They sell them. Stainless steel, easy to clean. You can use hot soapy water, scratch pads on there, and just wipe them down and just oil them real good at the end, and they'll work just good every time. They may warp just a little bit. I don't know what don't, but once you put it back on that heat, it should level back out. But if it don't, hey, don't worry about it. Okay. All right. First time here, please subscribe, share, like, comment. Ring that bell, thumbs up, and most important,
Y'all come back.
Bye.
Bye.